So you want to hear the big juicy truth about growing a YouTube channel? Well, in today's video I'm going to give you just that. Well, my name's Leah. This is my new channel, Grow with Leah. This channel is dedicated to helping small YouTubers grow their channels and create a business around it. In today's video, I will give you 5 truths about growing your YouTube channel that no one ever mentions. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I have a small bonus for you that will help you have a successful YouTube journey. So, the first truth on my list is that the quality of your camera matters. You will hear many YouTube sources say that you can start filming your videos with your phone, which is true. But I am here to tell you today, unless you own a really good smartphone with a good quality camera, you may find that your videos are not to the right quality to grow your channel to its full potential. I am not saying that you should not start with your phone. However, I am saying that once you're in a position to do so, you should purchase yourself a good quality camera. It doesn't need to be super expensive, but it doesn't need to produce good quality videos. I currently am using the G7X Mark II by Canon. This camera is working well for my sit down videos and also is a perfect vlogging camera, so it's good for 2 different things. I will link this camera in the description so you can check it out. It's not super expensive like the big cameras, but it also isn't super cheap. So you may not be in a position to purchase a camera like this as yet, but it is a good starter camera for all-around vlogging and sitting down videos. And as you can hear, it has a good audio. I am not using a mic. So you can check that camera out for yourself, but there is other options out there too. So my advice for this is just to get yourself a good quality camera when you can afford to do so. Second on my list is that you will not get away with bad audio. So if we're going to talk about video quality, we cannot miss out audio quality. You may get away with lower quality recordings in the first series of your videos, but you will not get away with bad audio. You need to ensure your equipment records audio clearly or purchase yourself a mic. Especially if you are doing gaming, sit down or podcast style videos, you need to ensure that your audio records clearly. I will leave a list of my favorite mics in the description so you can check them out. Third truth on my list is that you have to watch and care about the numbers. So don't listen to anyone. If you are serious about growing a YouTube channel and you want to do this as a full-time career in the future, you need to care about the numbers that power your channel. Watching your analytics is a must in order for you to see how your videos are performing and to be able to create better videos in the future. I'm not saying you need to obsess on subscribers, because you don't, but you do need to care about your click-through rate and your watch time. Don't worry, we're going to talk about these specific analytics in a near future video. Fourth truth on my list is that you need multiple skills. So in order to start and brand a YouTube channel, to creating, editing and posting videos, you're going to need multiple skills. So unless you're already equipped with these skills, you may need to learn them. Or you can go over to my channel where I have multiple videos to help you in this department. Or if you don't have the time or are not willing to learn these skills, then you may need to hire people that already have them. Or the other solution is that you can use tools and platforms that already have solutions for you. So at the end of this video, I am going to give you a bonus of a list of tools and platforms that I use in order to grow my YouTube channel and to make my daily life easier. Fifth truth on my list is that YouTube growth can take a very long time and unfortunately sometimes never happens. Yes. So you will see those big successful YouTube channels and it may be hard for you to imagine the struggle and hard work that went into growing those channels to those levels. However, no matter how easy it seems, you need to remember that most of those channels was grown from a mixture of hard work, consistency and dedication, and sometimes a splash of good luck. These channels have taken years to grow to get to these levels, and it may take you the same length of time also. For example, if we take Mr. Beast's channel, his channel I believe was being posted to for around 5 years before he saw any true growth on YouTube. So bearing that in mind, if you've only been on YouTube for like a couple of months and you're already feeling worn out or willing to give up, always remember Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast went for 5 years before getting any YouTube growth. So with hard work and dedication and consistency and posting the right quality content, it will happen for you. Also, you will see some channels that blow up really quickly. Now you need to bear in mind that sometimes this is a 4th, 5th, 6th channel from that YouTuber. It's not their first channel, so they have a lot of knowledge and skills that they have gained from their previous channels, and then now have put all that knowledge into their new channel, and it has grown super fast. They also have a following that they have brought over to their new channel, so you shouldn't compare yourself to them. It's not a miracle. It's all built from dedication, hard work, and a combination of skills and knowledge that they have gained over the years. It is very true to say that some channels never grow at all. This is because many factors go into growing a YouTube channel, and one of them is search. If you are always going to create videos that nobody wants to watch, then of course your channel is never going to grow. This is why it is important to use tools that can help you grow your YouTube channel and save you valuable time. With that being said, let me tell you about some of the tools that I use and love that can help you with your channel growth. First tool on my list that I use and love is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a free browser extension and mobile app, and I use it for video optimization and channel growth. It's used by many YouTubers, including myself, and I absolutely love it and believe you would too. So this is a website for TubeBuddy. I just quickly scroll down for you and show you that it's got different features, including advanced keyword research, so you can check if your titles and tags are going to be good for your video, or even the topic of your video is going to be something that people are searching for in the YouTube search engine. It's got many other features, as you can see. It helps you rank higher in search, and you can get more views and subscribers. You can also post to your social channels directly from TubeBuddy by just selecting which social channel you want to post to and sending your video directly out to your subscribers, viewers, or potential subscribers. There's many other features here. You're free to check this out for yourself. I'm leaving a link in the description. So yeah, check out TubeBuddy. I totally recommend it. Next tool on my list is Envato Elements. I consider Envato Elements of more of a creative assets library than an actual tool, but I absolutely love it. It has many templates and many assets that you can use in your video creations, also in your other creative projects for other social medias or your website. Envato Elements have it here. They have a range of high quality assets that are professionally made. I use Envato Elements for intros and graphics for my videos, so I can give that professional look and also keep my retention rate high. This is an example of a few of the templates that you can use for your video intros. I will leave a link in the description to Envato Elements so you can check it out for yourself. Absolutely love and use all the time is Canva. If you don't know what Canva is already, then where have you been hiding? Canva is a free design tool and it will meet all your channel design needs. You can create YouTube channel art, YouTube ads, icons, video intros, YouTube videos itself, and thumbnails on Canva for absolutely free. They have many templates that you can use if you do not have the design skills required to make that professional looking template or thumbnail or video intro. So yeah, I will leave a link in the description for Canva also. There you can check it out for yourself, but I'm sure you're going to love it. Your videos, you're going to need to edit them, so you're going to need to choose a tool that you can use to edit your videos. I personally use Adobe Premiere Pro. This is not a cheap or free software, but I have the Adobe Creative Suite, so obviously this was going to be my software of choice because it comes free in the package. Well, it's not free, it's a part of the package. You can use any editing software of your own choice, but I use this one, so I just wanted to let you know, because I also use Photoshop and Illustrator on a daily basis, so it was only going to be normal for me to use Premiere Pro as part of my package. But there is other free options out there and other paid options, and I will do a video in the future letting you know about each software that you could choose. But you can have a look at Premiere Pro, and if you're not interested in that right now, you can see what you can purchase in the future once you are confident with video editing tools and you need a more powerful software to edit your videos. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description. You can check out Premiere Pro and also wait around for the video in the future that I'm going to create about different editing softwares for you to use. I do have one on my other channel, so if you want to go over to Leah, I did do a editing software video there. I will link it also in the description down below, or also at the top of this page right now. Thank you for watching my channel. I really appreciate it, and I'm going to be making a lot more videos to help you with your YouTube journey. So if you want to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell, and YouTube will notify you when I post these videos. Also, please give this video a thumbs up if you like the content that you was given today, and also I hope to see you in the next video and really help this information helps you with your YouTube journey. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.